confused about WordPress themes? Don't worry, in the next 3 minutes, I'll explain what they are, how they work, and why they're important for your website. A WordPress theme is like a design template for your website. Think of it as the clothes your website wears to make it look good and function well. Without a theme, your WordPress site would look plain and basic. Themes control your website's layout, colors, fonts, and overall design. They also come with features like header styles, menu options, and even pre-built page templates. You can choose from free themes or invest in premium themes. Free themes are great for beginners, but premium themes often come with advanced features, customization options, and support. Most themes let you customize things like your logo, colors, and homepage layout without any coding skills. This is done through the WordPress Customizer or a theme's built-in settings. Some popular themes include Astra for speed, Ocean WP for flexibility, and Divi if you want a built-in page builder. When choosing a theme, consider these. Responsiveness. Does it look good on all devices? Speed. Does it load quickly? Support. Does it come with regular updates and customer service? Features. Does it meet your website's needs? Don't just pick a theme based on looks. Avoid themes with outdated updates. Check the last update date. Bloated themes that slow down your site. Themes that lack support or documentation. Not sure where to start? Check out the WordPress theme directory for free, reliable themes. For premium ones, try trusted sites like ThemeForest or Elegant Themes. Installing a theme is simple. Head to your WordPress dashboard, click Appearance, then Themes, then Add New, and pick a theme. Hit Activate and your website gets a whole new look. That's it! A WordPress theme is your site's design toolkit, and it makes building a stunning website easy. Try one today and see the difference. Found this helpful? Like, comment, and subscribe for more WordPress tips.